The optional transcription service from Redbox is used to convert speech within recorded calls into a text conversation. This means you can search for spoken words and phrases across recorded calls and view the text conversation as well as listen to the call audio. You may want to check with your system administrator to see what calls are transcribed within your Redbox recording system. It may not be all of them. The transcription flag in search results indicates that a call has been transcribed. Transcription search is used in the same way as any other search. Just add a transcription search criteria and enter the word or words to search for. You can add multiple transcription search criteria if you need to, and any other criteria too, like channel name or call direction. There are a couple of options you can define for your transcription search too. Just click the options icon in the criteria. From here you can define the search type, spoken or not spoken, and where in the call to search, anywhere, at the beginning or at the end. The confidence level allows you to set a margin of error. Setting a lower value allows the software to compensate a little for things like pronunciation or speed of speech. In my example search, I found all calls that had the words voice data in them. Now let's say I want to check that my agents are highlighting a voice data promotion in the first 30 seconds of their calls. So I'm going to change the settings to spoken in first and enter 30 seconds. Now only those calls are listed in the results. Similarly, I could change the search again to not spoken in the first 30 seconds, which would highlight calls that are not complying. Anyway, once you've performed your search, just highlight the call you're interested in and click the main play button or double click the call to play the call audio.
Hello, Alex speaking.
Hi, Alex.
The media player will highlight the approximate location for the spoken words. This saves you having to replay a call just to find a single phrase. To view the transcription, the text conversation, just click the View Transcription button. As you can see, the pop-up shows an IM style view of the conversation, and if your system is able to, then it will also identify each caller or speaker. That's not always possible, so sometimes you may just get speaker 1, speaker 2, etc. At the top of the conversation, you can also see details for the recording and language information. If you're transcribing into multiple languages, the one with the highest confidence level is displayed by default, but you can change the language in the drop-down menu if you need to. Remember, the conversation will simply be transcribed into individual languages, it will not be translated. One last note, if you need to, you can copy and paste the conversation into WordPad or another app. This can be useful when sharing data for further analysis or investigation. But remember, once the data is outside of your recording system, you may want to apply additional data protection measures. So that's transcription covered. If you want more details, take a look at the Quantify user guide. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out the other e-learning videos from Redbox.